Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell how to cancel your AltRx order or subscription. If you don't want to use their services, how you can cancel it. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to keep something in your mind. The first thing you need to keep, that is like all the returns and refunds are not refundable. Okay, so when you buy any treatment, if the treatment is you can say like placed, then you are not able to cancel your treatment, but there are some conditions. So you can read their terms and conditions page, and you can read the terms and condition page, then you can very well, if you are in the terms and conditions, then they will provide you some kind of refund. Otherwise they are not going to provide you any kind of refund. Okay, so how you can cancel it? So basically there is a time period like 28 days time period, and if you are canceling your service in within 28 days, then they will provide you some kind of money back. But otherwise if you are in late, and then they will not provide you any kind of money. Okay, so first of all you need to compose an email. The email format you can see, and you can also help from ChatGPT to prepare this kind of email. And once your email is done, in the email you need to mention each and everything, reason of cancellation and all. So once your each and everything is done, you need to send the email at their email address, that is like support@altrx.com. and once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription or service. This is the only and the last option. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.